Well, yes, indeed, Iknur. I have with me an exclusive copy of that Senate report in question here. It's the first report. It's titled the First Report Committee of the Whole. It's a report which has been ostensibly set up as to formulate policy guidelines in view of the latest situation developing between India and Pakistan here. If we just cut to this a bit full frame, and because these are exclusive, this is an exclusive report and copy of Newsx as well. Let's go through what this report says at this point. It's been set up right at the outset. It makes it very clear that the main purpose of this committee which drafted this report was to find out so-called proof of Indian aggression in Jammu and Kashmir and how to take it forward here. And let's go to the most important operative portions here, in which case it actually comes up with a list of directive principles, the policy guidelines, which include setting up a task force for sustainable Kashmir policy, a media coordination committee. Then it talks about setting up two think tanks specifically in India to look as to Indian matter. And this is where it gets disturbing here. It's point number 8 says India's own fault lines is their alienated Muslims, Sikhs and Christian Dalits, as well as the growing Maoist insurgency, and this should be highlighted. In this context, services of two official think tanks whose principal task is to study India can be attached and made relevant. More importantly, it goes on to say that Modi and his RSS ideology of Hindutva should be targeted here. The next point says a comprehensive outreach to those segments of the Indian public opinion which are opposed to Modi's extremism and his anti-Pakistan policies, including political parties, media, civil society organizations and human rights groups. So it makes no bones of the fact that it is looking to target the Prime Minister directly, keeping in mind his Hindutva association as well as his association with the RSS, and it is ready to set up two think tanks with the express objective of reaching out to any single entity within the country which is also opposed to the Prime Minister, whether it be a political party, whether it be an NGO, whether it be a section of the media or even the Maoist movement.